Akansha, that person is not you. You're moving directly to round 3 of the final.
After judges announced that I am going to the finale directly, I was like speechless. I was in a state of shock. There was no reaction on my face because I don't know what to do, what to say. I was like speechless.
Your dish wasn't perfect, but it was the most well thought out dish. Well envisioned, the right amount of techniques put in for the right expression on the platter.
Thank you so much.
So you are through straight to the grand finale.
Thank you, Chef.
Now, how is it going to go? Will we all, with so much of criticism, make it through the next round? Or which one of us will go? It could go either way.
All of us were in complete gloom.
Juhi, Tanisha, and Megha, your dishes were below par for a Femme Foodies finale. We have learned to expect more from you. And today was a letdown. It has happened twice at Femme Foodies when you had to change the rules. First, when the two of you were exceptionally good. And instead of having one as safe in coasting, we chose to have two as safe in coasting. Today is the second time that we've had to bend the rules.
I didn't know whether it was going to be something good, something bad. I already felt really disappointed and I felt I had just sunk into a dark corner and somewhere in my mind.
Tomorrow, it's a do or die situation for the three of you. Sink or swim.
They said that two of us will get a chance to go into the final and one of us will directly go home. I was relieved at that moment when they told us that, I have another chance to cook. But at the same time, it showed absolute disappointment on the judge's face at that moment.
And that's again because we expect more. We know you can do better. We've seen you through these 5 weeks. We are sure you can do better. Our best wishes are with you. Good luck and good night. I don't think the evening is ended. I think we need to call them back and have a conversation.
We had an informal interaction with the judges because they felt they needed to give us a pep talk, give us some tips or some pushing of some kind because it was so bad and they had expected a lot from us.
You're not here because you wanted to be TV stars, are you? Forget about the cameras. This is about you. This is real. These food trucks, that food truck is real. I don't want to see tears, I want to see passion. The same passion that you came with. And I also see overconfidence in all three of you. All three of you. And that is the bane of a cook.
With every comment that was being said, every critique given, I could just feel myself sinking deeper and deeper and deeper.
You cannot lose vision of the bigger picture. You have to keep in mind each and everything. The color, the presentation, the taste, the balance.
Yes, the reaction, such is definitely what I deserved because I did not live up to their expectations. I did disappoint the judges, I disappointed myself, and I would have never liked to go home on a note like this.
What you need to understand is you're here, you're at this position because of food. If we wouldn't respect it, we wouldn't be here either. We wouldn't talk to you about this so straightforward, so heart to heart, because what you're doing is what is at stake for us. What you do is a reflection of our mentoring. So for us, it's heartbreaking. It's absolutely heartbreaking. If you've reached this level, respect it and respect it with every part of your body, right? So you're gonna take back all of this home with you tonight. You're not gonna talk about anything but food, breathe food, eat food, live food. We want to see something magical tomorrow.
Thank you. Good night.
I will be back tomorrow in my task. The mega that they do want will be back.